I worked my way up through the ranks and I played senior football from the age of 17 to the age of 37 and I finished off in usual style probably till I was 41 playing junior football, and then I decided to call it a day. I graduated up and became club secretary in 1981, and then I stepped back from it. To me, the greatest satisfaction is taking young lads' teams or young people and trying to train them in the basic skills of the game would be my greatest, something I leave behind. It's probably a bit of a standing joke around here, but I've probably become very attached to that lawnmower that the club has, and over the last number of years I've put the pitch on countless occasions in the last 7 or 8 years just to try and keep it in trim. First of all, I'd like to thank the President for the award and also for those who nominated me. I'd never expected it because whatever I put into the GAA, I never did it for anything, other than enjoyment and satisfaction of doing something. But I'd also like to accept it on behalf of the club, all those people past and present and their families who were involved in building up the club.